Hey everyone, it's Adam here. Quick video, seriously quick. This bike, the 701 LR, now has 1,000 miles on it. I rode as much as I could last year, but I was still kind of just doing local trips, breaking it in, mostly doing harder off-road riding, not doing travel. But in November, I did like a 550 miles in 2 days of off-road, roughly. So 550 miles over 2 days, like 300 one day, 200 the next. By the end of the first day, my ass was killing me. This is a Renasco suede seat, very comfortable. It's extra thick from stock, but I still was uncomfortable. I want to be able to do technical up here, and then when I'm on like longer pavement, get back here. But the rear is still pretty thin. So what I did is I picked up this AIRHAWK. This is the AIRHAWK Dual Sport, $99. You can see how you hook it underneath using an X pattern. Make sure you don't get in the way of your bumpers or your lock. But you can see how it goes there, and then you can slide it down here. And now with the seat on the bike, you have this here. So, you know, I'm not going to use this all the time, but I do have a couple of trips this year, which are going to have a few 300 to 400 mile days back to back. And so I hope $99 for the AIRHAWK Dual Sport, that this will do the trick. The way you deflate it is you just open this up and you unscrew this right here, and it will start to let out some air. And then to reflate it, you just screw it back there. There are the pads. So as you hit here, it kind of disperses. It cells, so you have dispersal of the air pressure. I probably have too much air in there right now. I just need a little bit for my sensitive BMW butt. So, like I said, quick video. Just wanted to show how the AIRHAWK Dual Sport looks on the Husqvarna 701 LR. And there it is. Thanks for watching, everyone.